Has your home or business suffered damage from a natural disaster, hail, flood, or other incident? Your claim can be denied or settled too low. You need loss recovery specialists.
After the hailstorm, I was very concerned about damage to my home. Thanks to Loss Recovery Specialist, I was able to get a new upgraded roof and gutters, as well as $3,500 for other related repairs.
Insurance companies are not on your side. The professionals at Loss Recovery Specialist are. Get the real value you deserve. Call Loss Recovery Specialist first.